Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can become a member, a club member on Citymapper. But first I wanted to tell you that don't forget to subscribe because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how you can make money online. So first open the app, and after that this is the main page, and if you click on the club icon, which is at the uh, top right corner, then you can join the club. So this is for supporting the app, and by joining the club you will support the app and their mission. So their mission is making cities usable all over the world, and for that you can get exclusive features like different app icons, extra routing powers like turbo, simple, price, emoji dot, rain alert, which is really interesting and helpful, place info, and more. So here is the simple club um, club subscription, and there is this club plus subscription. So the club subscription you can purchase the monthly and the yearly subscription, and it can be cancelled anytime. So if you click on one of those, then you have to add your payment method and give your payment informations. And the Cloud Plus, uh, here is a yearly plan. So you have to pay once a bit of a larger amount of money, but you can get extra features with that Club Plus subscription. So I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.